Today we will make a special soup, the fish soup. Let us start our recipe. Take the head of fish. Boil water in the boiling water, add a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then add the fish in it. When the water starts simmering, take it out. In another pot, pour water and add onion, garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt and fish for making fish stock. When it starts boiling, cover it for 40 minutes. Stock is ready. Now take out the fish and set aside. Another pot, add 1 tablespoon of butter and onion for frying. Add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Fry it. Frying the sauce will enhance the flavor. Add chili sauce for tablespoon. Now add grated carrots, cabbage half chopped and half grated. Now strain fish stock into vegetables. Black pepper according to taste. Half teaspoon of nutmeg. And mix. When it start boiling, add shredded fish. Now add 3 eggs beaten in the boiling stock. Now taste, and if you found any deficiency, then add more spices. I am adding black pepper, soy sauce and red chili sauce. At last add corn flour for thickening the soup and keep stirring until flour is mixed. It started bubbling. It means soup is ready. Enjoy and give my video a thumbs up. Share the recipe with your near and dear ones. Subscribe to my channel. For unique and tasty recipe. Do give your feedback, and remember, first step is always hard to take. Be patient.